let's rock and roll, baby. This is the genesis point, the inflection point, the turning point, the end of XXXDEADHEAD. The adventures of XXXDEADHEAD they kind of just are transforming, changing right here at this moment in space and time. Like, wow, holy crap, that's a nice mansion.
For someone to save. I wanna tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night, and I contemplate for a while. Don't you think for the people that pass me by, pack my stuff and leave sooner than this? Don't you think for the people that pass me by, pack my stuff and leave sooner than this? Don't you wish I would have been someone else? I wanna feel your breath without making a mess. And you won't you tell me something new? I wanna tell you something new. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah, this is also the beginning of the adventures of X. This is where they coincide, the crossroads, if you will. And it's cool because when it's all said and done, I really enjoyed being XXXDEADHEAD, but it was kind of like a mask that I'd put on, right? Like, not a true reflection of who I am. And I don't know if I can ever truly reflect who I am, because, you know, we're human. It's complex. I'm at a loss for words because I have this beautiful coastal section here. I hope the front GoPro is picking it up nice and well for you. Big Sur, man, this is a beautiful area. Epic. This is cool. Oh, it's all like drizzled away, like these little cone-like. Oh, that's cool. These little cone-like columns on the sides of these little cliffs. I hope you guys can see it. I hope the front GoPro is even running. Wow, this is cool. That's so freaking cool. It's like the Briar, man. That's so awesome. The coast off to the right. God, I love this area. What a great area. What a great place to start. Like, besides the redwoods of Northern California, this is one of my favorite places on earth. This Zion National Park, so amazing. I love the diversity of what you can find if you just get out the front door and go. And it's not easy. It's not always easy. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it. A lot of people just work. And I think, for me, like, one of the best purposes of life is to try to make ends meet, right? Like, to go from A to G and try to connect everything in between. The B's, the C's, the D's, the E's. All of it. And it's crazy because you can have this focus, this focal point of like what your expectation is, but reality will always just take you where it wants to take you.
I wish you all the best I can, and I stop myself for a while. I'm saying things I don't believe, the panic's rising up in me. You want to tell me something new? Don't you think for the people that pass me by, pack my stuff and leave sooner than this? Don't you think for the people myself for a while.
Oh, there's Pixie Bridge up ahead. We're almost done with this video then. The adventures of XXXDEADHEAD are pretty much over. People may address me as XXXDEADHEAD, and that's cool. 3XDH, the X, XXX. I mean, I'm honored. I'm totally honored. And that name is a part of who I am, but that adventure, the adventures of XXXDEADHEAD, it was good, it was great, it was awesome, it was magnificent, it was epic, it was hard, it was badass, and I'm really excited about this next step. Super excited about it, and it's gonna be, you know, it's just gonna be awesome. But the real adventures, the adventures of X, well, we're only a couple miles away. Oh my gosh, we're at a mile away from that beginning, I think, right around there. I mean, I gotta find the exit here. About to hit Bixby Bridge. I don't want to cross that bridge yet. I don't want to. Oh, I'm excited. I'm anxious. I'm nervous. I'm a lot of things. For sure, a lot. Oh crap! Nobody panic. Just false alarm. Nothing to see here. just trying to get the first leg of the adventure, the first step, right? Baby steps before we can make big strides, guys. Except for I think we're getting to a point where it's like almost being thrown into the pool and learning how to swim. I have experience traveling, but when it comes to like ADV motorcycling, I have a ways to go. I've got a lot to learn, and I hope to get there. I truly do, without injury. There we go.
I drive away into the night and I contemplate for a while. Don't you think it would be for the best if I pack my stuff and leave sooner than this? Don't you think it would be for the best if I pack my stuff and leave sooner than this?
Alright.
Don't you wish I would have been someone else? I want to feel your
Yeah, that's badass. This is where it all starts. Let's get the drone out. Let's get some cameras going. Let's take a quick little breather, a little rest. This is a vacation after all. The rest of it is not. I mean, the road ahead I don't think is much of a vacation. This is Old Cross Road, and that will be the next video. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. It's been an honor. As XXXDEADHEAD, it's been an honor. As Dave, it's been an honor. And I'm so excited for the next step, the adventures of X. Let's see where X takes us. Catch you in a bit.
Don't you think it would be for the best if I pack my stuff and leave sooner than this? Don't you think it would be for the best if I pack my stuff and leave sooner than this? Don't you wish I would have been someone else? I want to feel your gap without making a mess at you. Why won't you tell me something new? You all the best I can, then I stop myself for a while.